Welcome everybody! I can't believe I have a YouTube channel. Like me. It is I am so happy. Okay, so welcome to my video. This is shot 700 days after I shot this actual first video, but I didn't have an intro. I thought it was okay not to have an intro, and then later on I was like, no. So this is my short little intro. Welcome to my channel. I'm so excited if you're watching this, and thank you so much. So this is going to be, I'm sorry, I live next to a train station. A train is about to go by. This video is going to be an unboxing of my package from TemperHair. It's run by @nyane on Instagram, and the Instagram page for the hair is @TemperHair. So she's based in Netherlands, so that's where the package would be coming from if you wanted to get yourself one. This is not the hair. This is from a South African place called Exclusive Virgin Hair. So her one is, I should have brought it. Okay, I'm gonna cut to that. TemperHair. And yeah, so that's what I'm going to be unboxing, and just a quick little 2-second review since I've already worn it now. It's brilliant. It's like soft and it's amazing, and the cut is like perfect. Like whoever cut it was like 100% spot on. It's like perfect cut, and it's a 8-inch, and it's got bangs, and it's gorgeous. You're gonna see it right at the end. Don't judge my eyeshadow at the end. This is different eyeshadow because I said different day. But yeah, so let's get into the video. I hope you like it. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Okay, and this is being shot in my room, so please do not judge me. But ooh, sorry, I'm doing it this way because my information was on the other side. But there you go. This is the box that came in. Like I said, my information's on the other side, so can't do much about it. So it is. This is how it comes. And there we go. It's, you can't really tell, but it's a really okay, let's get rid of this pink. Hold on, sorry. It's a really oh sorry, let me fix that. There you go. It's a really pretty, like, I don't know what you call this. It's not velvety, or is it? I don't know. But anyway, and then there you have a little pulley thing, and it comes with this. I will take a video of this in a second. Please don't mind my nails, they're not cute yet. Okay, and then obviously here is the wig. This is very cute too. I'm very happy that it comes with something like that. Ooh, Dreamland. Oh my gosh, look, it's a handwritten. Oh my gosh, that's so special. That's so beautiful. But by the time this video is out, it's been out for like, I'm sure, weeks now. Dreamland, that is. This is the actual wig that I received, and this is just how to style it. Look at her. Oh my gosh, Nyane is so beautiful. Ooh, and brushes for your edges, and that is all that comes in the box. So again, it's all of that. Oh, what is that? It is the cap. And here we go. And there is the wig. It's Sayumi. In case you do not know, the wig is called Sayumi. And there it is. Ooh, it's beautiful. Ooh, it's so soft, you guys. Ooh, and there we go, obviously. Ooh, sorry, I'll show you in a second. TemperHair by Nyane. I love her. I think I've been following her since like 2015 or something. She's amazing. Ooh, guys. Oh, now I'm showing you the rest of my bed, which looks horrible. Look at it. And there's the bangs. oh sorry, there's the bangs. Is fabulous. Okay guys, I will see you back when I have this on. Brilliant. Hey guys, I'm back. Okay, so this is what the wig looks like. So yeah, I don't know how many inches it is, but I'm pretty sure this is like 8. But yeah, also please don't kill me if I like messed up my eyeshadow. Like this is the first time I put color on myself and stuff, so I was scared. Please don't kill me for it. I will get better. You know, that's what this channel is for. That's what, yeah, I might as well tell you now. Like the channel is just, nothing here is going to be perfect. You know, if you're expecting perfection and you're expecting like a really perfect YouTuber, I'm not gonna be it. This was shot on my Samsung S6, that's like years ago. So I don't even have a camera. I'm like too impatient to keep waiting to get one from this guy because I'm not even saving for one. Basically, I'm waiting for it to fall from the sky. So I got impatient and I wanted to wear my wig, but I really wanted this to be my first video, so I had to do the unboxing. I had to do all of this. So please, this is just, yeah, not a perfect channel, but it's gonna turn into a perfect channel. You know, we're gonna grow together. The thing that really made me want to start this channel, like I already wanted one, but what really like did it for me was someone asked Wasabi, I'll put it here, hopefully I'll learn how to do that. I'll put it here or something and I'll show you it, because I'm not gonna say it word for word now. But he was saying, this thing is so soft, but he was saying that don't be perfect, you know, just grow with your channel. And it really like, I was like, this was made for me. Like I love wasabi. I watch sushi with wasabi all the time, literally all the time. I love them, they're amazing. anyway, so that really hit me and it struck me, and I was like, now or never, you know. So yeah, this is my channel. This is what the wig looks like. Yeah, it's 130% density. I don't know what any of these stuff means yet, but I feel like density means like how my mirror is here, sorry. I think it means like how full or not full it is. So yeah, this is 130 and I want it in a giveaway. Let me tell you guys that story. So Nyane was having a giveaway, and the first prize was like a whole bunch of makeup and the wig, and then second prize, third prize, fourth prize was just the wig, and I came third because it was like a randomized thing. Like she'd click it and then it would pop up with the name and stuff. So yeah, and I won it, and now here it is. And yeah, I love it. I think it's so cute, so cute. I'm like, I was really scared because of how short it is, but like, because I know I've always wanted bangs anyway, I just never cut my real hair. Oh yes, I forgot to say, up here I know it's like really puffy, but it's because my hair is not in cornrows, it's just my hair under there, and I have really thick relaxed hair, so like even though it's relaxed, it's like really thick hair, so you can see. But yeah, this thing keeps wobbling. I'm sorry, it's a, what do you call this thing? Selfie stick. So we're gonna grow together, guys. I'm going to tell you every single thing I achieve, because we started from the bottom and we're gonna keep growing until we get to the top. And this is going to be a tech one as well, because I've always wanted to have a tech YouTube, so I was like, I might as well just throw it all in one. I watch a bunch of tech YouTube channels, like a bunch of them, everything Apple Pro. This other guy that I keep forgetting his name, but like he's so great, like I love him. But like, I will write their names all down in case you guys want to check them out. Absolutely love them. And I was like, being a South African tech person and being a girl, it's going to be amazing. So I'm in for the ride. I'm so excited. My next video will be, because I don't have a lot of tech, but my next video will be comparing this S6 camera to my to my iPhone 7 camera. We'll see how well you guys know your cameras. that's it for my first video. Please give me a huge thumbs up if you like this video. Comment down below what more you'd like to see from my channel, and subscribe. Thank you.